technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
While Prime Minister Narendra Modi crosses yet another milestone in his landmark-filled journey as a Jan Sevak, as a Pradhan Sevak, as he turns 75 today. Wishes that has been pouring in for the leader who was once a chaiwala went on to become the Prime Minister of the country, of the world's largest democracy, a journey that has been marked with dedication to serve the nation and its people. So on the occasion of his 75th birthday, we're looking at the sense of seva that remains the heart of celebrations. Let's quickly connect with Tetri, my colleague who is joining us from the national capital. Multiple events that are now lined up, especially on part of the national capital. What is now being done by Chief Minister Rekha Gupta on the occasion of Prime Minister's birthday? Tetri, over to you.
Well, absolutely. I'm reporting from India Gate. This is the Kartavya Path from where we are reporting. The Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has arrived over here, and she will also be participating in the blood donation camp over here, which is being organized. And what we are being told is this is one of the biggest blood donation camp in the national capital. Posters of Delhi Bole Thank You Modi Ji being displayed everywhere over here in the blood donation camp, and in a short while from now she will also be addressing the workers. If we talk about Prime Minister Modi's schedule, then he's scheduled to arrive in Dhar. There he will be unveiling the project, several yojnas, and one of the major yojnas is Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar, and apart from that, Rashtriya Poshan Mah campaign. These are the major campaigns that Prime Minister is going to launch. And apart from that, through these yojnas, yojnas will be operated by Ayushman Arogya Camp. But the initiative that here in the national capital is being taken is through the blood donation drive, the registration of donors on the Raktakosh portal as well, enrollment of the beneficiaries under PMJ Yojana. So in the visuals you can see that the Delhi Chief Minister is donating blood. There you can see that the Minister Ashish Sood is also present. All the Delhi Cabinet Ministers are present over here to celebrate Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday, and in fact 75th birthday, big day over here. And not just in the national capital, everywhere in the country such kind of celebrations are being held. Prime Minister himself today will be going to Madhya Pradesh, will be speaking to will be unveiling several projects over there, and this is the way in which the BJP will be celebrating his birthday. And we'll also in fact try and speak to the ministers who have arrived over here to celebrate the birthday of the Prime Minister. And that's the blood donation camp as we are talking about. That's the Thank You Modi Ji posters, and in the visuals we'll be showing you that what is happening. Just in the visuals we'll be showing you what's happening over there. You can see that these are the blood donation camp that's being set up. And now at 9 a.m. also, the Union Minister Kiran Rijiju will also be going to Bangla Sahib Gurudwara. There also he'll be participating in there he will be participating. नीचे झुककर आप आइए, हम बात करेंगे. And we'll also try to speak to Basuri Swaraj there. Ashish Sood is also present. The Delhi Chief Minister is present. Just in 30 seconds we'll be showing you the visuals of the blood donation camp which has just begun. Manjinder Singh Sirsa is himself present over here participating. Sirsa साहब, किस तरह से बधाई देना चाहेंगे आप ब्लड डोनेट?
जी, भारत के प्रधानमंत्री का 75वां जन्मदिन सेवा पखवाड़ा के रूप में पूरा देश मना रहा है, दिल्ली मना रही है, और आज बड़े तौर पर मुख्यमंत्री, सारे मंत्री, सारे एमएलए और हजारों लोग दिल्ली में ब्लड डोनेट कर रहे हैं. हम भी उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं.
किस तरह से आप उनसे इंस्पायर्ड हैं? वो कौन सी क्वालिटी है प्राइम मिनिस्टर की जो आपको इंस्पायर?
मंत्री देश के महान सेवक हैं, एक एक कार्यकर्ता के दिल में बसते हैं, और देश के प्रति जो उनकी सोच है, विकसित भारत करने की जो सोच है, वो सबको इंस्पायर करती है, और हम भी सब उनसे इंस्पायर्ड.
All right, we also have Ashish Sood with us. Sir, how are you celebrating and how do you wish Prime Minister?
We wish him a long and healthy life in the service of this nation, and we wish that he always inspires us. He continuously inspire. He should continuously be inspiring us to serve the nation and the people of Delhi.
Continuously inspiring us, ma'am. How would you like to wish Prime Minister birthday? आप blood donation एक बार हो जाए उसके बाद. मैम, कैसे विश करना चाहती हैं आप?
पहले सेम.
So these are the exclusive pictures that we are giving you here. The Chief Minister of Delhi herself donating the blood over here, and we saw Basuri Swaraj, Ashish Sood, all the ministers over here have arrived. So this is the way in which the Prime Minister's birthday is being celebrated. The posters of thank you Modi ji everywhere here, but the situation is, in fact, there's a lot of crowd over here because people have come all over national capital to celebrate this event over here from where we are reporting right now. That is the Kartavya Path, and as we talk, we also highlighted that how Prime Minister himself will be going to Madhya Pradesh. And in fact, if you also talk about the messages that are being shared by several ministers, if we talk about the cabinet ministers, the union ministers, the businessmen across the country, they remember Modi, they remember Prime Minister Modi, they're meeting with Prime Minister Modi, the quality they admire of Prime Minister Modi. And in fact, if you also go on to talk about the major campaigns or major initiatives that have been taken under his tenure in the past 10 to 12 years. So the major, in fact, the changes that the country has witnessed, the most important one is the digital era that we talk about, that how the digitalization has taken place, how the UPI payments have made our lives easier. Then the another important part is the Atmanirbhar Bharat, making India self-reliant.
Blood donation camps that has been set up at Kartavya Path. You can see India Gate in the background where Tetri is reporting from. The Chief Minister is present there. Multiple ministers of the Delhi cabinet who are present there. And like every year, the BJP, which is launching the Seva Pakhwada, which is a fortnight of events across the country, marking the Prime Minister's birthday celebrations, which showcase his commitment to the citizens' welfare and service to mankind. This is how the Chief Minister is wishing him on his birthday.
सेवा पखवाड़े के रूप में देश की जनता को अनेकों सेवा के योजनाएं समर्पित करते हुए पूरा का पूरा देश सेवा के संकल्प में लगा है। दिल्ली सरकार भी इसी सेवा के काम से आज की शुरुआत करेगी और रक्तदान शिविर में भाग
पूरी दिल्ली विश करी, रिटर्न गिफ्ट क्या मिलेगा दिल्ली को?
ये सब 15 दिन 75 योजनाएं, ये सब दिल्ली के लिए, दिल्ली की जनता के लिए, दिल्ली की सेवा के लिए।
So as Prime Minister Narendra Modi turns 75 today, let's explore how he has transformed his birthday celebrations into showcasing public service and welfare initiatives, reflecting his commitment to the nation rather than personal festivities. Now let's take a look exactly when we speak of this year, which is 2025, what is now being done. On the occasion of Prime Minister's birthday, the focus, however, still remains on Sabka Saath, the largest ever health outreach for women and children that would be happening with the launch of Swasth Nari Sashakta Parivar and the launch of 8 Rashtriya Poshan Ma. That's going to happen in the state of Madhya Pradesh, where the Prime Minister would be travelling to later in the day. Last year, when we speak on the birthday of the Prime Minister, he interacted with the beneficiaries of PMAU. And when we speak of the previous year, the Prime Minister had announced PM Vishwakarma Yojana and also a scheme to enhance skilling of craftsmen. Then when we speak of 2022, those were iconic pictures, if you remember. Nearly 8 cheetahs that were released into MP's Kuno National Park, which the Prime Minister later himself visited. And at the peak of COVID, when we speak of the year 2021, nearly 2.26 crore COVID vaccines were administered on the occasion of the Prime Minister. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was born as Narendra Damodar Das Modi on the 17th of September in 1950 in Mehsana town of Gujarat, he served as the state's chief minister for 3 consecutive terms and now is the Prime Minister for the 3rd time since 2014. Let's listen into how some of the ministers in his cabinet are extending his best wishes to the Prime Minister on the occasion of his 75th birth anniversary.
एक बार मैं उनके साथ अहमदाबाद से राजकोट जाता था तो 8:30 हो गए। मोदी जी आमतौर पर कार्यकर्ता के घर पर उस वक्त भोजन करते थे, मगर अचानक ही एक हमारे कार्यकर्ता का ढाबा है सूर्य नगर में, वहां पर गाड़ी रोका और जाकर खाने बैठे। मैं मनोमन बोला चलो भाई अच्छा हो गया, इनको भूख भी लगी तो हमें भी आज खाना मिल जाएगा। मैंने देखा उन्होंने कुछ फल और वेफर जैसा कुछ खाया थोड़ा और मैंने पेट भरकर खा लिया। फिर रात को मैंने सोचा कि इन्होंने तो खाया ही नहीं तो गाड़ी किसके लिए खड़ा रहा, गाड़ी साथी कार्यकर्ता के लिए खड़ा। इस प्रकार से कई सारे कार्यकर्ताओं के जीवन में बोले बगैर ढेर सारी चीजों को उन्होंने सिखाया है, कई सारी चीजों को। जो कार्यकर्ता का फिर काम करने का स्वभाव बन जाता है। ये घटना जब मुझे याद आती है तो मेरे साथ प्रबंधक की चिंता मैं भी करता हूं कि भाई इसे खाया या नहीं खाया। मैं किसी के घर खाना खा रहा था, वो बाहर खड़ा था। ये चिंता ऑटोमेटिकली काम का हिस्सा बन जाती है।